Ahoy, shipmates! It's a land-based activity today up here in Kingsettle Hill on the Somerset-Wilshire border. Right on the top of the hill there is the Alfred's Tower in memory of King Alfred, with the third crop circle of the year right in front of it. King Alfred's Tower was built in 1760s by Henry Hall II. It's only open on weekends and bank holidays from 11 o'clock, so if you want to go and walk up the tower yourself, make sure you come when it's open. Has a commanding view on the top of the hill there. You can see over into Wilshire and Somerset. I did spot some spooky goings on though on my way to visit this new crop circle. I wondered if perhaps the aliens had visited this hedge. Seemed to be covered in some sort of plasma-y, gooey alien substance. Some little things crawling around in it as well. The tower is 40 metres or 130 feet tall, with a girth of 51 metres. Each of the three corners of the triangular structure has a round projection. The centre is hollowed. The top of the tower is reached by a 200-foot step spiral staircase in the furthermost corner. Reported to have cost £5,000 to £6,000 to build. Building began in 1769 and was completed in 1772. There's an inscription to King Alfred on the tower itself, as well as his statue. Apparently his right forearm was recently replaced in renovation works in the 1980s. Having seen this crop circle from the air, it reminded me of something. So I did a quick bit of Googling and I found something on social media which could explain quite a lot. I did think it somewhat resembled the Michelin Man roaring around in the field, and there you go. Is he an alien? Is he a crop circle maker? Who knows? Hope you've enjoyed that one, shipmates. Till next time.